What's good, people? It's your boy Kelly back with another video. So today I want to talk about Dogelon Mars. Recently I just came across an article talking about 7 cryptos to sell before they become obsolete. And tell me why I came across Elon on there. Oh yeah, people, they trying to do Dogelon Mars wrong. You can only imagine how many people already gave up on this project, thinking that this project is dead, never gonna do anything again. It's just copying Elon and Dogecoin, right? So people aren't really that invested into Dogelon Mars. In my opinion, that's a mistake. Let's get into this article, people. Cryptos to sell Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is a cryptocurrency project that tries to ride on the Dogecoin and Elon Musk frenzy. There are lots of tokens that do that, but what makes Dogelon Mars uniquely dangerous is the fact that the Methuselah Foundation holds 40+% of the tokens. Now we all know that. If you're investing into Dogelon Mars, we do understand that the Methuselah Foundation holds like 41% of the tokens. And they also said that they're not going to sell. Well, in my opinion, I do believe they have to sell some to continue to grow the business. Truth is, that can happen with any project. When a certain project has a lot of tokens, what else can they do with them besides sell them, right? It's not like they're going to burn the tokens, even though that would be nice. Let's continue. I pointed out in an article almost a year ago that they could start selling the tokens, and indeed, they have started to do so. The foundation plans to sell 3.14% of the tokens each year to support its budget. So just basically saying something else come up in the future and they need to spend more money, they're gonna sell more tokens. Of course, even if they do hold their promise, I believe the demand for the token is too low for it to survive in the long run. This is just one man's opinion. How do y'all feel about Dogelon Mars? Is it over? Is the hype done? Or do you feel like Dogelon Mars will still build and create use case in the future? I'm still holding my bag. I can't lie to you. Why would I sell? In fact, I'm up in Dogelon Mars. And even if I was down in Dogelon Mars, I still wouldn't sell. I bought an S coin sometime back in November of last year. I put about $500 in. And now it's worth like 80. You know what I'm saying? Like, it happens. Either you ride the wave or you sell and solidifying your losses. So I haven't sold, I'm still holding. Alright, you just gotta be wise with these type of things. Who knows? That token I put money into and it dropped to $80. Maybe it takes off, maybe it don't. But do y'all still hold Dogelon Mars? Do you guys still have faith in Dogelon Mars? I mean, everything is quiet right now in general, right? It's not just Dogelon Mars. In my opinion, I believe Dogelon Mars will still take off in the next bull run due to popularity. Right now, it seems like everything is boring and dead in cryptocurrency. Maybe a few projects pump here and there. But that's why I think it's very important to diversify, people. Always put your money in other places because you just never know. Anyway, people, if you feel like this video was informational, share it with somebody else. Enjoyed the content, subscribe to your boy. And I'm up out of here. Peace.